Hey guys, today I'm in the shop again, working on the Colorado. Get back here so you can see it. There's Colorado. And today, I think we're going to install a stereo. The reason is, I've got some stereos, as you can see. This one was in one of the old Colorados, I'm not sure which one. So that's an old Sony. It has Bluetooth and a whole bunch of other crap. So I think I'm going to install that one. I could also put in this one. This one's a Pioneer. They're both pretty much the same. USB on the front. Oops. Yeah, just not sure. I think I'll just leave this one in here, because this one's already got the bezel on it for a Colorado. So I do have another bezel here for this one, but I think I'll just leave those ones in the box. I could put this one in, but I'd have to do a little bit of wiring on it. This is a Sony. It's a DVD player. But I don't plan on watching TV in there anyway, so I really don't think I need that one. I think I'll just throw this one in. It's already all set up. It has the proper harness already on it for a Colorado, and the little, whatever you want to call that, bypass module thingy. Anyway, I think I'll put that one in. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. We are going to put that stereo in here. There. We're all done. No, just kidding. Still got some work to do. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna slap that stereo in, and oh yeah, do I have a mic? I think I got a mic. Just move this fan out of the way. This fan should be over here anyway. I think I got a mic. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. That's going to be a future project. Brand new engine from Princess Auto, and that's a Kubota with a blow-in engine. So that's going to be a future project. Like probably next month, I'm thinking. But anyway, let me see here. It's a bezel for a Ford. Here we go. And this is a mic. So I think I'll throw that in that truck. That'll work. Pioneer. Alright. Yeah. Are there any other mics here? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Alright. Yeah. That's for a Ford, and I believe this is a wiring harness. This here's for a Ford too. So we'll just leave that in there in case I ever get another Ford. But this is a mic for stereo. It's got the little clip on it and everything, so we'll use that mic. Okay, let's get started. Oh yeah. So there you have it. Stereo installed. Didn't take too long. Now granted, if I had to wire up the harness and stuff, it would have taken a little longer, but I already had it in the box, so it was pretty simple to do. Anyway, now I got a stereo. Got my mic up there. This is my mic. I just ran the wire down there, and I took this out, took the dash out, and I ran the wire in behind the dash and over to there. That worked pretty good. So hopefully now, when I get a phone call, this little mic will work alright. I never had one with foam on it before. I don't know. I guess that's to help with noise reduction. Anyway, yeah, it should be alright. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video.